changed rooms. Hopefully you can see this better than you could yesterday or whenever you did the last lesson. We are on lesson 74 in geometry. We will be talking about reflection today. Reflection is one of those where a shape is at one spot and then it gets moved somehow. And so with reflection, it's a flip. And we're using the coordinate plane to flip it. And it's very simple. What we will do is we have an image and then we have we have an image and we have a pre-image. The image is what we start with. The pre-image, let me just say that again. The image is what we end up with. It's the reflection image. The pre-image is what we start with. And we label it ABC. The newer image is A prime, B prime, C prime to represent these are the same, just reflected over this coordinate line of the y-axis. Sometimes it's over the x-axis instead. This time we're going to use the y. This is super simple, easy lesson for you to do. Let's see how we do it. So what we do is wherever this B is, you have to pretend there's a grid here. And so if this is 1 and this is 2, and so it comes along on the -2, well then it'll flip over and be the same distance from the y-axis on this side, but it'll be a +2 instead. So if this was 1, 2, 3, 3 up and 2 back, and this coordinate was -2, 3, then this coordinate for B prime would be 2, 3. Now, when you switch, this is what we started with, the x and the y. The new coordinates, the first letter is going to be the opposite of what that one was, and the y will stay the same because it's the same distance up the y, doesn't change. It's still at 3 for both of them. So when you have the new coordinates, it's going to be the opposite of, this doesn't mean negative number, it means the opposite of whatever x is, because we started with a negative number this time. Let's do A. So if A was, we're estimating at -4, and we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's at 6, then A prime is going to be 4, 6. And then C, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's at -4 and 1. This C prime will be 4, 1. You just flip it over and it is in the opposite position of this quadrant. It flips it over like this is a mirror. Super simple. You can do this. You will have 4 of them to do. Sometimes they have you flip it over a line instead of the x-axis or the y-axis. Same thing though, you just figure out how far away it is from that line and you count that many over before you make your new image. So your pre-image is established. You'll need graph paper. You'll need to be able to draw the shape on there and show your work, and then also show me what coordinates they are before and after. Not a hard thing. Let me know if you have any trouble, and you can do just, we will have you do A through C, and that's it. I hope you're having a good time and be able to do your math every day. It won't take you very long. You need to keep up with it so that you can get that geometry credit at the end of the school year. Thanks and have a great day.